please just type yes, please.
Message to Lamptey. I know Lamptey is watching. You're not to him. Easy guy. Me, why set you? Because Edmond lie, why set you lie? You can't. Why set you lie? Edmond lie. For 5 years I was consistent.
Okay, thank you very much. So you guys can hear me. Thank you very much. So please keep sharing the video because they said they cannot hear it. There was no audio sound before. And please, I cannot invite anybody because if I'm trying to invite somebody in and the audio will just go off, I don't know what is going on with my phone. But if you guys want me to put phone number that you can call, you can see just request for the phone number. I will put it there so you can call. So one love, man.
People want to preach the gospel of 4+4 talk battle. I must mention their names. They are my converts.
Who be that? About who?
2015, AK.
2000 and what?
They do their work. They do their work. I dedicated 5 years.
Okay. But you not dedicate that 5 years. You not dedicate that 5 years at all. Because why? When you did where you did before, Mexico, when you did post, Oshomole say you be better Pikino. Oshomole was thinking that you are a good son. He doesn't know that you were born by mistake. You were a mistake, Bonnie. You don't. Oshomole don't know. That was why Oshomole buy tickets for you to come back. You see, I said the fire wound where you tear for that side, I want kill you. Now Oshomole send money, buy tickets, say come house my pikin. I will try to help you. When you come, Oshomole not give you 10 million. Come out on social media and debunk the news. That is a lie. If Oshomole not give you 10 million for a regime, if he don't support you with 10 million, now you take complete that your house for Magba. Waiting they worry you now. Waiting they worry you. The house where you see they build now, we know them. The house where you they build now, we know where it is. So why you can't they try to they show propaganda upon propaganda about? About, are you normal? About, are you really normal? Tell me, are you normal?
Time to the struggle. I appreciate you people. You both joined us. Few days to election. When I say join.
Few days to election.
But that will not miss it because we know some road. Because we know people. We want to come be coordinator.
Please share this video.
When I saw that audio, I replied him via audio. That was the first time. Now almost every day during that palliative, now almost every day still is the same voice note to me, insulting me.
Who you be? You will still less now, mates. If not be still Abba, shut up. Abba, shut up your mouth. Abba, shut up your mouth with this, man. If not be still less, we use itself rub ground for where you dey. You understand? Normal standard, you not still a standard. Normal standard, you not still a standard. How about you never hustle for life now? How about you never struggle? You never see things for life. How about we don't see the good and the bad and the ugly? How about we don't see the death and the living? How about we have seen life? Waiting we don't see. Your governor never see him. Even Buhari as a president never see waiting we don't see. How about I'm telling you today, you have to be careful. See, there are people that doesn't have joy, they don't have conscience. You understand? You have to be careful. May you not gonna go hit the store you're not supposed to hit. May not come be like saying, now that's torn, eh? Now you can't fall top of your generation, eh? You can't destroy the goal. You understand? But there are people that are ready to work out for your matter. Where be say your matter, eh? Everything will come spoil. When you the APC, fear they let you when you they work out with Tony Kabaka that time. Not be beg you they beg they go. Now based on say all those years lekute wey dey London, dey Canada, they don dey send money they give you, maybe they post their picture or one or two things during time of campaign. You to Sagona code, you know, don't save enough money. Now it make you can get power now come to the year now. When you fair day before, can you spray 20,000 in occasion? Can you spray 20,000 in occasion? How about you fit spend 20,000? We have met if you 20,000 we could before. Now like you do me where it could be no boss ki ya win. You get government to, you get government low, you get government low. You go. How about I challenge you today? I challenge you about Obaze. I challenge you today. Bring out your payment slip, just one. I will give you 200. Bring out your payment slip, one. I will give you 200. Bring out your payment slip. Bring out your tax payment in Nigeria. I will also bring my tax payment in Nigeria. Bring out your company taxpayers in Nigeria. I will also bring a taxpayers company in Nigeria. Bring out your Abat. You are bastard. Why are you telling us that it's not government money you are using? You dey craze? How many land you dey sell for a day? How many land you dey sell for a week? How many property don't sell for this year? Who dey follow you dey buy the property? Send us, just show us one, say, see the property I sold yesterday, see the property I sold 3 days ago. So be fool. Who be fool? And you carry one woman come out that they say he get cancer problem, he get kidney problem, he get this, he get this. I don't know the kind of sickness where they even get. You they talk and there, but I don't concentrate put. But what they make me they imagine? You said this government is for the people and by the people and for the people. Why can't you carry the woman to a government or minister to health minister? It draw the government attention to this woman. Say yes, this woman not well. He need government support. Where be say now people wey dey abroad, that you they carry the matter they face abroad. But now the same people that they call them iye lekute. Now the same people they call us single mothers. Now the same people they call the illiterate. Now the same people they call ekita. The same people. When you say make that they support you, the same people now donate over 20 million, 15 million naira give us Akono Kodi. The one where they give you not talking. These people abandon their family and everybody. They begin to load money for our accounts. But now the same money, now until they buy data today, now until they insult them. We want until they insult them. But tomorrow now say this one that one not be na politics. But politics don't finish. You don't want to let politics go. You are still bringing the politics back. To the extent the Ranomigo way don't enter as you go wake up. The Ranomigo be done they sleep. If you don't they sleep, don't even forget say they even do election. But you went back to go and wake him up that you are going to deport him. Who are you? Not be as you be for years so. Not be as you be. Okay.
I sent a voice note to you and I'm repeating it live.
Okay. How about Wazua? How about you are bomb bastard? How about I told you yesterday, if anything happened to Stainless go to Nigeria, she goes to Nigeria, then steal her phone, then steal her handbag, you are the one. If they kidnap Stainless, now you. If they shoot am, now you. Anything will happen to Stainless, now you. Anything will happen to anybody will come from the diaspora now. It happened to the person we are going to hold about responsible. Any social media presenter that went back home and something happened, whether by accident or not by accident, we are going to hold about responsible. Because Abbas is not telling us that he's not the new boss in Edo State. He's not the new governor of Edo State. He's not the new minister of justice in Edo State now. He's the only man that can say, live and you will live, die you will die. Because that is what he's saying now. Waiting Abbas they tell us now, Tony Kabaka cannot tell anybody. Tony Kabaka cannot tell anybody. But Abbas now they threatening way of an agbon over here do war of year. Waga continue. Wa share video na waga se kana about here. Or we ain't gonna address ibuni ma avione. You are a bomb bastard. You dey craze. You are still less be senior.
I was there. And no way.
There's anywhere on the still less na. About there's anywhere on the still less. I still less or west anywhere. Oh, worry for you still less. We still less. Gammy be here around. It's still less what you wear. It's still less what you wear. Oh, worry for lati still less here. To where gwali your boy we need the help you boy lati still less. You are the one that caused still less. When still less was in Nigeria. She never even dreamed to even see somebody like you. But you are the one that pick up your phone and call Stella say, let's see. You need to help me. I need your assistance. But do you know that you have to pay? Any blogger platform today, before they post one thing for you, you have to pay for it. Are you a fool? The network where Stellas they use, not be paid they pay and put, not be paid they pay put. Now is it free? Then they pick up for streets. You don't know how much they sub? Do you know that in Europe 1 hour is money? They pay by hours, but the girl will be online 3 times, 4 times a day, campaigning for your principal. At the end of the day, you are telling me that you are not going to pay her. You guys are joking. Are you crazy? You guys are going to pay dearly. I have told you yesterday, we are going to sue you 200 million assault for calling somebody's wife Ekita. You are going to pay 200 million naira. You are bomb bastard. You the Chris?
You see, now I see the reason why some politicians they don't like linking people. We now be looking for a way to just bring you down.
Okay. Oh, well, we say when I see we are about go talk. It's a person where you do help for. You go they find the way to bring you down. What happened in 2019? 2018, 2019, what happened? But do you imagine that Governor Ogegase Obaseki, Tony Kabaka helped him, or Somole helped him, or Magbiya Yesia, or Magbiya Yesia Batia, or Magbo Somole Yesi. Obaseki magbo somole yesi. O magbe Tony Kabaka yesi. O magbiya yesia. Kenu weri yari stelesi ge governor nana. Stelesi ge yagbu we yesi. Don't you see that you guys are so ungrateful people? Tony Kabaka patient for 2 years. 2 years and a half. There was no settlement. There was no appointment. There was nothing. When the poor man speak out, una say na agbeu reason. Do you know that Tony Kabaka lost some of his boys in that struggle 2016? But at the end today, you are not telling Edo people that that's why politicians don't want to help. Don't you see your life? In a way, is so yazen or daigbe. Or may you wear no kagbele. Do you see? Don't you see what you are trying to cause to yourself? How about? You say somebody's mouth is smelling. When you know your odor that is coming out from your mouth, it can kill 200 cow at the same time.
You see, people when they use stainless, when they use social media, Ekita, they won't block the road. The road when I pass, link social media Ekita to East SMSC. They won't block her.
Okay, how about wait to? Since when you tell leave Stoless now to go see governor, I leave Stoless to go and see governor, I leave Stoless to go and see governor. How about I want to ask you something. Wetin don't change for Stoless life. Stoless they use Range Rover now. Stoless now they use Lamborghini. And this Stoless now they don't transfer 2 billion naira for your account since when to go see governor. Governor na new thing. Is it not human being like me and you? Is it not the same toilet when they go, me they go? Not be the same thing when they come out for a house, not be they come out for my house. I be get another mat where they put food. Not be the mat where they talk, not be they put food. Governor, is he God? Governor, is he God? President, is he God? How about I'm asking you? I'm asking you. This guy is a born illiterate man.
If you get that access to the use the road. Now,
please share this video, man. Share this video. Keep sharing, please, man.
I have added social media Ekita to the list of people that I'm going to fight legally.
Legally.
My auntie called me today. He said, while you are fighting her legally, we are going to use the role where she know, the spiritual role where she know, take fighter.
I they come here, I bring phone, come here, give them a number, anybody will want call.
This morning, somebody sent a message. Why this Agabagebe coordinators in London, they London, in Manchester, here, Agabagebe coordinators in they were sending people to talk to me, to beg me need to post. While they were doing that, you know, conversation with their Ekita. You have to live where Ekita don't know. Ekita don't know. There are
Okay, da. Okay. My gear. Where worry? Where you buck a kita well I win a Abat. May you talk still less. Now you know Abat me I don't know why, but now we're supposed to don't see and see. A saga. EJ me about my saga how my pay networking. Abba, shut up. We know they pay for network. Network too cheap. As month end, so they already collect money for network. We know they feel am. Abba, now you go they beg politicians. Baba the data. Baba the data. You man you go the destiny when we have the data. No, agbo. And that destiny no do feel no be bedo we there yo. E go ni even say we dey live here na. E destiny mala lenu e destiny bagwa mala lenu about destiny bagwa ya my bros I greet you baba. You don't say I don't feel defend you for some area baba. Bro, I want to let you know one thing. This guy, you have to be weird. Bros, not let this guy come your house. He's a home breaker. He's a home breaker. He go here one day he want collect information. Tomorrow, when you come ask you something, not do one for her, he go begin to carry you the go. This guy is a home breaker.
God delete all the video for her. She deleted the video and I was taking something to do that. I have to say, I don't know why you have to say. You let me go a video.
Please share the video, let it get to her back, you know. Yes. Oh, Abba, thank you. Abba, thank you now. Thank you. Thank you, Abba. Not be another person talk and say 46 million. Now me talk am, Abba. Now me talk am. And there is a proof. There is evidence. There is evidence that the governor, the deputy governor give you 46 million, 2 million naira in people on social media. Do you give them the money? The answer is no. The answer is no. What do you tell Bush Lion? Who was the first person that sent you account on social media in the diaspora? I will still tell you. Do you give Monkey Face money, yes or no? Monkey Face in Germany, do you transfer money to his brother in Nigeria account, yes or no? Abba, tell me. You transfer money to a Monkey Face, Uyi Monkey Face in Germany. You transfer money to his brother, younger brother account in Nigeria. And with poster. And it was inside your group. How about if you said I'm lying? Go to any length and get a justice paper. Let me follow you to defend it.
Anywhere I go, you will find a voice. People say I can collect millions from government. If I look for here government, if I feel here government, anything I do, they will say government money. And I'm not eating government money. Send this post to anybody who wants nothing. You need get government. Send this post to anybody.
Okay, how about you say you know the chop government money? Abi, okay. We accept to. Where this phone come dey? I'm supposed to give you a number. Why can you hear the phone now for you? Ẹ̀dọ́ bí wà gan yóò wẹ̀ ẹ̀dọ́ bí wà gan yóò wẹ̀ wàgà fi sábàtì náà. Yẹ ìwé náà mo rẹ́ dẹ́tì yẹ ìgà mú ẹ ìgà gẹ́tì wẹ̀. Please share this video, let it get to our batch. Keep sharing.
Followers, if you like me, say if you don't want to make a response to social media, please, I go the response well.
Shut up! Shut up! You get followers. People who say they follow you, they are still gullible like you. People where they send you money, they are still gullible like you. How can you be inside this hole? You go to control person where they sell top of mountain. You go say you dey control them, and those gullible followers wey dey call you their self followers, they no dey reason. You use your mouth to measure one statement just now say that's why they no dey help, they no politicians not wan show person the road wey dem follow based on say you carry still lens and social media president to go and see the governor. But have you talked that the way your principal insulted Adanle Oshiomhole and destroy Tony Kabaka's hotel? Do you ever think about that? Iya where is so we as in oda igbe. O ma ijo were no ka gbele osire. Ya we gbege aya boyen edu. Ama de no hian gbe wa ho e. Ama de no hian gbe wa ho my brother. Hey la nyi werun da we oba Ugwoba Sekiro o ma de no hian gbe for the next minute. You don't know wetin the court judgment at the end.
And if you are in Netherlands, please, I use Almighty God to beg you. I need Stainless address.
Oh. Sister Stainless, the world Queen Stainless, the Egbe Wager one of Netherlands, I greet you. My lovely sister, I beg if you watch this post, I beg. Try inbox me. Inbox me, mo give her back the address when they find. You understand? We go take human right lawyer. That Ekita where she call, where about call you. We go sue about 200 million naira. We go sue about 200 million naira. For that word will come out for Abat, man. I swear, if Abat not say a house, if Abat want follow us make case, if Abat not say a house, say everything when he get, if the money not go still complete. For that send Nigeria, we go let Abat know say is nobody. Even though he know the government is nobody.
Please, Almighty God, for in Netherlands, please just let me try. I need her address. I need her address.
Amagba boy dey talk say he need person wey dey Europe address. Wagini who? This boy not dey, he not dey Italy, he not dey Germany, he not dey Canada, he not dey Switzerland, he not dey Luxembourg, he not dey Germany. Amagba say he need person wey dey Netherlands. How many country Nigeria don colonize? Nigeria get any country where they colonize? You know country where Netherlands don colonize, you dey craze? You dey mad? You dey craze? As soon as big as Nigeria, they not fit deport you now, the Kanu come back. Talk less of thunder punish you. Right, motherfucker.
Yeah, Sam, I will be in school and I'm going to take care of her legally.
EJ, man. How about in this school where Jonah, J school. A toggery where you a politician. You are still doing toggery with politicians. I am educated. I went to school. What can you show for that I went to the school? Me way not go is better than go even talk and say I not go school. You understand? You will say you get your NYSC, your this, your that, you are still doing toggery with politicians. There is no payment slip, no pension. You are not working to be having pension tomorrow. But when you get old, you cannot receive pension. Where is your taxpayers? Where is your tax payment? Nothing. About. What is your saving form, your pension form for old age? Nothing. You are talking to the person that is living in a developed society with electricity 24 hours, no generator. 1 minute less can call police. Seconds they go follow and they there. But are you really insane? Are you normal? But I'm asking you, are you normal? Who is advising you? Do you really have a wife at home? Do you really married? Do you really have a wife? Abat, do you really have a wife? Or do you just have fucking mates? Abat, if you really have a wife, your wife's supposed to have called you and sit and said, no, don't fight a lady like me. Don't reply a lady like me. The word that you said, a fellow lady like me, Zekita, go and change that words. I think your wife is a fucking mate. It's not your wife, it's your girlfriend, it's a fucking mate. Because it's not fucking mate, you know, go fit come to social media, you will come to insult another person's wife, you come to call her Ekita. Automatically your wife is a fucking mate.
Did you say those people you feel talk to earlier? You and Iran Omigo, before it was just Iran Omigo, now I talk to me. Everything Iran Omigo don't talk. Nothing when Iran Omigo never call me. You can't go to social media and call me a terrorist.
You the Chris. What you don't call the Tony Kabaka? What you don't call Oshomole? Oshomole na your mate. Oshomole na your papa mate. Not be your papa mate for money, not be your papa mate for age. You understand? Oshomole is not your father's mate for by age, by money, by struggle, by education. Is not your parents' mate. For you to be insulting Oshomole. For you to be insulting Tony Kabaka, you are a fool. You are a fool. For you to be insulting Pastor Sageze Iyamo, the man for the people, the man wey sabi, only the man wey carry Sibo agenda come. For you to insult Pastor Sageze Iyamo, you are a big fool. Now you said me they not destroy. Do you have a name? Do you have a name? Do you have surname? Do you have surname? I'm asking you about. Do you have surname? You are insulting people that is relevant in the society. The people that have moved far, more better than your parents, your great grandparents. You said they should not destroy your. It was the same social media your brother came out. Start dragging the governor and you and Ebo Stone and Sakuno Kodi for you guys to send in money for America. But at the end, you said your brother, the man, they get mental issue. Your own blood, you see your brother get mental issue. You that are able to sell out your brother. What is stainless? You have the mind to sell out your brother. What is stainless that you cannot sell?
And you expect that the issue will slide. You can't go to social media and call me again. And you expect the issue to slide. Before it was around, we're going to wait anywhere. The reason why I never feel get Iranomigo deported. I know why.
Why?
Today, I have added social media Ekita to the list. So if you know the social media Ekita address in Netherlands, please, I am in a hurry.
You know, say, what you do to Iran? Now, JB will not know himself. Iranomigo brother will not know himself. You understand? Iranomigo brother will not know himself. Now I blame. You understand? Because if not be JB, will give you chance, me can't destroy that family. I get believe say if JB stand by brother, you not get any level. May God forbid, I'll see outside that they fight my own brother. I will join the outside that they fight my brother. You are a bomb bastard for me to join outside to fight my brother. I have to fight for my brother. Because you fight for your brother that day when your brother talk that word. You read command. All your brothers come and say they man, they do this just to distract the public. Just to distract the public. Now you are not insulting the Iranomigo. Younger brother is looking at you. It's a shame to JB. It's a shame to JB. For JB not to call you and say, yes, oh boy, even me and you did the same boss. Me and you they drive one more to abeg. Not they insult my brother. I just leave my bros out of it. Not they insult him again. Me, I know they use my family till they play. You go listen to you. But for JB to shut up based on saying with the brother get misunderstanding, he leave you, make you they insult the brother. Now miscreant. If they pay me, say person, even though say you and your brother get problem, whether your brother help you, whether he not help you, whether Port matter cause problem, whether Jerusalem this one, but he have to protect his own brother. JP supposed to protect his own brother. But you not look out today, say JP even there our camp. JP supported me. He fight against your brother. He fight against the Pastor Sergei Zeyamu. Let me, because of that one, not to be insulting Iranomigo. But today you are not insulting Iranomigo. Today you are not saying you are. That's why you cannot deport Iranomigo. You dey craze. They never even born you when Iranomigo start to the struggle they go. You dey craze. Eh? Social media, when social media are coined, they mostly they put respect. How bad for age me and you not be mates? Maybe you feel senior me for money based on say they don't give you money now. But for age me and you not be mates, you dey craze. Not be same person don't go chop prawn, it can't fool everywhere. Now they tell not be by big, they tell no age. Not be by age, not be by big. You understand? Body small, ugboloko don weary. Body small, but ugboloko don weary. You understand? How bad? Repair yourself. Repair yourself. Don't be insulting people. You don't insult people now. How about if you want make me buy your matter, I go buy your matter for stainless hand. I go pay stainless off. The matter will come be me and your matter. You dey Chris?
To take care of her legally. Now, all the things social media Ekita is doing today, she did it 3 years ago. They all move in Nigeria. She was even running from me.
She was running from you, or you are the person that call her.
All the admirals went there without Shomole. And thank God that if I go anywhere today and I misbehave, God will not go happy. I'm not an admiral.
You be Agberu. You be Agberu, you get work. You get work.
I cannot believe
You get work. Listen about. Let me tell you something. Yeah. If you not get job, you dey waka about. You be agberu. What you take care of your wife? What you take care of your pikin? Now agberu money. A parfiame. A pouche. My leader. Wetin dey? Now you take the chop. No level for you. You dey craze. Not because see me for office. Come see me for office. Till the chop they go. You dey craze.
You know,
Gami egbe what ye o. Eyan ate wa le be stainless ye. Stainless ke sharp igbe. Eyan ate wa le bank mo.
Girl, you see there, she's in a hurry. She's in a hurry to start fighting the government. You know, then now we are not disciplined. Oh, I will be in Nigeria.
Abadam yo on your ti aruwo yo it's still less of my book mo nuwe unwete ban mo abat you be one buy you don't see picture where you are still less stand where you want to snap for Nigeria where you stand for Iba you know see as your cassava raise body you know see as your cassava want tear your cloth your cassava want burst everywhere enter e want rush am but still less ma mu no only no see Harvard. Still less if I would do it. Still less. We were good. Olage cassava wa take me. Abati la wa gbe kwa you we trouser. Owi so wa we la no we. Odi o, e boss as that we here da. This boss as you breathe so. Wetin stay now so wait for the call. It's not a small thing though. What we see today now if you talk her. Ìwé ẹ̀kọ́ go dey smell out and Harvard tẹ̀wá tàbá wò ká ẹ̀ tó wí àti wọ́n yà gbá wọ́ bọ́tọ̀ wá rí rẹ̀ Harvard ayé lórí ẹ̀ bá sàn ìgbẹ́ kún kù ní Harvard go mina he go drink he go resist less waste. Hi. Go reason the way to get this straight. We look at go say, hey, I'm making ya bambo. You know, quick me collect. Now the pain battle. Not be another thing, no.
Social media
please share this video. Let it eat the ground, man. Share this video, man. Who? Owola don. Ube yena ube na so wetin I talk aba say iyan ti kan stand olado don aba ti we olado la stand the thing kan stand e no kon fit be around again aba kon dey package e kon dey package himself say ah this guy wan kill me huh? Ọdẹ wa gba pati wa yẹn tó bọ ẹlẹ gi yẹ
social media ọ̀nà náà
okira
ọwọ́ àtàlẹ́rẹ́rọ yẹ kárọ̀ yìí tọ́ ọ̀nà yẹn is enough for now.
Oh, we have to ya buy. We have to ya buy. Ti di mafia otun ti 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 di mafia otun oh wadame more na listen to this place so more na listen to this place. Okay. When I say what you say, why you still let's do?
and in lawyer, I should pay Swallow a governor. So that I may my pocket go and one. That's what I usually have to do. I'm a Agabadebe coordinator. So my fans, when I listen to me, don't tell me not to respond. See, because I don't respond, I should say again, maybe in behind. So I will respond to. So don't be angry, please. Share this broadcast. Share this broadcast. Invite your friend when they come watch. Hey. In a way,
okay, he go use say let's they fight EPN, they fight APC people. After he don't use that, he go dump am.
For commercial avenue, it cannot be a room there. Ori worry, ori worry,
no, I'm better imbecile, no, I'm better.
I will feed my sharia that to talk. When I see the video now, I will post the video where she dey dance. Hey, now my leader for 2 days. After I have make up, don't know what tell me. My leader crack the ball. Who will not walk me there? Who will not walk me there? I was not comfortable with all these things. I'm usually go to down there. They didn't know me.
Well, I do promise say no. Even no promise say no.
I don't go picture of it. Sorry, we are not going to be there. You are going low. Me, I didn't walk with you. I really don't want to hear you. When I get the video, I see the video. Oh, no. She went as far as going to the studio. When I see one, when I was so near you, about the Nera, over your father, in the Yayo, who go out there, who did very well.
You not play the music. You not play the music. About you not play the music. Let's say where I like Bewagbo. Oh, be no we say no the no who no we say no the
Okoduwa now. You know what? The rubbish Okoduwa. Okoduwa is not into live video. Okoduwa is EPM. I don't like him. He's another naughty boy. But please, not say because Okoduwa will not do live video, can't come online, can't spoil the name. Okoduwa. Oh, we are here now. We move away. I'm a matter of two more too. Wait, now maybe we were you lost Okoduwa.
Because a jealousy land on her. Oh, we want you to buy because we mammy a ban.
Do 5 video, I will do 10.
Because we mammy a ban, but we mammy a ban. Oh, we are to being a we mammy a ban. Oh, we are to bambo. We mammy a ban. Oh, we jealousy like la do we na. Hey, Jimmy.
I know the contest election. I want to say, my shop. I want my shop. I don't want to respond to social media. Ekita. I'm for. Yeah, I want to respond to you.
Oh, who go and look for who were him? Mona pray for Albert. My people wanna pray for her. Mona pray for her. Mona pray for her.
She's going to go abroad. She's going to go back. She's going to come and say, Okoduwa says they want to go where human trafficking conference for Italy. They may have never even. Now we hear my invitation. We are you. Where you're going, where you're going. Hi. Now we go there, man. I'm going to be.
Everywhere we are making two wedding. Or who wedding. We may want to have to marry or who wedding with me. Yeah?
No, before that time, she got call me one day. As around December, I went to Nikabaka. Or girl, Julius. Nore Ulemo. Blana Ulemo, the Mama Day, or all those community around Airport Road. Oh, I'm with foolish here. But he was so mad. iye wa so ní ẹ̀yà gbé yẹn mọ nìyẹn sí àyè wá ní ẹ̀yà gbé yẹn sí ọ̀rọ̀ àbúrò bá ti kàbákà ìrọ̀mọ̀ ká pé ní ìrọ̀mọ̀ pé lọ́kẹ́ wù ọmọ dédé jọrọ ọ̀hánbùrẹ́.
Okay, my people, as we don't watch Abba Trish, my people, everything we Abba they talk is nonsense. Not be Abba, not be useless. Not be Abba useless made the insult Tony Kabaka. Yes. Now use him. He don't use him, and you need to pay him. You need to pay him. Who be that to? Just 1 minute, my people.